Hi dear children, welcome back to this new video. In this video, we will start the new chapter, Number System. This chapter is very easy and interesting chapter. Shall we start the chapter? First we will see about what is number system. Number system is way of representing numbers. In day-to-day life, we are using the decimal number system. Some other number systems also there. Octal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system. These number systems are identified by radix or base value. Now we will see about decimal number system. This decimal number system consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 numbers are available in the decimal number system. This decimal number system base value or radix value is 10. Example of this number system is one example 1, 2, 3. Is it? This is the one decimal number system. Its base value is 10. This is the base value. Other numbers also then 2, 7, 8, 4. This is also decimal number system. Base value is 10. This is represent the decimal number system. Next number system is binary number system. This binary number system has two values 0 or 1. Its base or radix value is 2. Example of this binary number system is 1 0 1 0 1 1 base 2. Then other numbers also then 0 1 1 0 1 0. This is also another example of binary number system. How we can identify is it a binary number? This base value represent the binary number. Understand? Then here each digit in the binary number we are saying bit. Did you get it? Each digit we are saying bit. Here this rightmost bit is, this is the right side, rightmost bit is we are saying least significant bit, LSB, least significant bit. Leftmost bit is called most significant bit, MSB. Did you get it? Next one is octal number system. It consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the numbers appear in the octal number system. Its base or radix value is 8. Because of it has a total 8 numbers. Example of this octal number is 347 base 8. This 8 only represent the octal number system. Next one is hexadecimal number system. It consists of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A, B, C, D, E and F. Here this hexadecimal number system has the base value 16. 16 means hexa means 6, decimal means 10, total 16. That's why it has the numbers, it has the base value 16. Example of this hexadecimal number is A2 then base 16. This is the hexadecimal number example. Next topic is number system conversion. First we will convert the decimal number to binary number system. We know decimal number system has 10 numbers 0 to 9. Binary number system has 2 numbers 0 and 1. Then when we are converting decimal to binary, there are two methods are there. They are repeated division by 2 and sum of powers of 2. We will see, first we will see about this repetitive division by 2. Example I am taking one number 65 base 10. This base 10 is represent the decimal number. I want to convert this number into binary number system. That means zeros and ones number system. Okay. Then how we are repetitive division by 2. Divide by 2. This number is divided by 2. See here 65 divided by 2. This method. In the smaller section we studied, is it? Then if you feel difficulty, then see here 65 divided by 2. Here 3 2s are 6, remaining 0. Bring the 5 here. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. Here this much only. This quotient value write here. This remainder value draw one line, then write here. Did you get? Then again divide by 2. Here 32 divided by 2. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1. Then bring this 2 down. Then 6 2s are 12. What is the remainder? 0. Then quotient value write in the down. Then remainder value draw one line and write. Understand? Then next again divide by 2. What is 16 divided by 2? Sorry, 16 divided by 2. 8 2s are 16, remaining 0. The quotient value write here, remainder value draw one line and write. The next 2. Then 4 2s are 8, we know remainder is 0. Is it correct? Then next 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. Then 1 2 is 2, remainder 0. Here this one is we cannot divide, so stop the division here. Understand? Then next you have to write the numbers from here bottom to top, here to top. Then how we can write? 1 0 0. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 zeros. Then next 1. Then base value we have to put 2 because of binary represent 2. Did you get? This is the most significant bit. This is the least significant bit. In this video we study about repetitive division by 2 method. The sum of powers method we will study later. Next conversion is decimal to octal conversion. This conversion also we are doing same method, repetitive division by 8. The previous we studied repeated division by 2. Here octal conversion, repeated division by 8. One example I am taking same 65 number only. This is the decimal number. I want to convert this into octal number. Okay. Then how? Then 65 divided by 8. Then if you feel difficulty to there, you can use this method. 65 divided by 8. 8 8s are 64, remaining 1. Then this quotient value write here, this remainder value draw one line and write. Understand? Then again 8 divide. 1 8 is 8, remaining 0, draw one line and write. Then you have, now you are getting these numbers. So how we can write? That bottom to top you can write. Then what is the answer? 1 0 1. Then base 8, octal equivalent of 65. Next conversion is decimal to hexadecimal conversion. That we know decimal number is 0 to 9 numbers. Hexadecimal number is 0 to 9 and A to F numbers. After 9 we are representing 10 represented by 10 is represented by A, 11 is represented by B, 12 is represented by C, 13 is represented by D, 14 is represented by E, 15 is represented by F. These are the numbers in the hexadecimal number system. We want to convert this decimal number to hexadecimal number system. We are using the same method, repetitive division by 16. I am taking the number 31. This number I want to convert, this decimal number convert into hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number. Okay. Then how we can repetitive division by 16. Then 16. If you don't know, you can write here separately and divide. 116 is 16. Then remaining how much? Then 11 5. Then here 2 is remaining. 2 minus 1 1 15. Here quotient is 1. Quotient writing here. Remainder is 15. So we are writing 15. Here 1 is can't divide by 16. So leave this one. This much only division. Okay. Then how we are writing this one? Here 15 number is in the number system. No. Here 0 to 9 and A to F. Then this 15 is represented by F. So we can write 1. Instead of 15 we can write F. Did you get? This is the hexadecimal conversion of decimal number. In this video we studied about what is number system, what are the different types of number system, what is decimal number system, what is octal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system, what is its base value, then its conversion also. Then here what are the conversion we studied? Decimal to octal conversion, decimal to binary conversion, decimal to hexadecimal conversion. How we done decimal to octal conversion? We are repetitive division by 8. Decimal to binary conversion we are done repetitive division by 2. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion we are repetitive division by 16. Did you understand? Okay, thank you dear children.